Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking on a super fun challenge, creating my own DIY craft inspired by the top 5 channels I found on YouTube. Getting creative and making something with your own hands is incredibly fulfilling. And thanks to the rise of DIY craft channels, millions of people are diving into these fun projects every day. From woodworking to paper quilling and upcycling to sewing, the possibilities are endless. With so many DIY channels out there, finding the right one can be a bit overwhelming. That's why I've done the legwork for you. Today I'll share the top 5 DIY craft channels that you absolutely need to follow. First up, we have the King of Random. This channel is all about life hacks and DIY projects. From turning old pallets into functional furniture to making homemade lava lamps, they've got it all. Perfect for anyone looking to reuse and recycle household items creatively. Next, there's Craftsy. Dedicated to teaching new crafting skills, Craftsy offers tutorials on everything from knitting to woodworking. It's a one-stop shop for all crafty enthusiasts. Then, we have DIY Maven, a channel focused on upcycling and repurposing old materials. From turning old t-shirts into reusable bags to creating stunning wooden wall art, DIY Maven is a treasure trove of ideas. The Crafted Life is another fantastic channel. They combine everyday materials to create unique and functional items like turning old cardboard tubes into quirky planters. Last but not least, Handmade Charlotte. This channel is all about paper crafting. From origami animals to paper flowers, it's a must-follow for anyone who loves working with paper. One project that really caught my eye was from the King of Random turning old CDs into stunning wind chimes. It's simple to follow and incredibly creative. Plus, it combines creativity with upcycling, which is always a win. What I love most about DIY crafts is the community that comes with it. When you create something with your own hands, you feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. Sharing your projects with others makes you part of a supportive and inspiring community. So there you have it, the top 5 DIY craft channels on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a complete beginner, these channels have something for everyone. Don't forget to comment below and share your favorite DIY channels, or tell me about your own crafting experiences. And if you want to stay updated on more creative content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.